Nowadays, what is minimum wage nowadays, or what we're gonna call it? Minimum wage now like 13,000 now or more. What's minimum wage? I don't know. They at least I will get that. See, they minimum wage at 13K. So you will make anywhere between 10, if people select 10 in weekly, but you will make anywhere between 12 to a nice $14,000 a week then, you know? You can just message me on Instagram. I prefer to message you on Instagram. It's no problem. If you send it as soon as I come off of the live, me just go by Instagram, go answer you. Um, let's see. What may I say? You can't expect a bigger pay. Like, you're starting from somewhere, you just have to go budget properly. Swallow your spit, probably starve yourself for 2 a day if you want to save and work up from there. Just saying, I'm young, you know, I just don't do my age. I'm a little girl. I joke. But, you know, you're not gonna expect the biggest thing right now. You're going to make a small amount. Why the blinds them so bright? Hold on. You're going to expect a somewhat smaller sum of money, seeing as it's your first job and you have no experience. Remember, in our life, if you want good, you know it's a run. You have to say. It's a long-term thing. It's not a matter of a long-term thing. You're asking for a job. I'm telling you where you can go look for a job. I say go on Tribune jobs. Or if there's stores in your area in Clarendon, then you go. So you want like one Christmas job? Yeah, ask for the job like, if you not ask somebody something, please be specific. Because it seems so if they come from with me, then know, and I offer you my job or my position, that means I know if you like to say if it's long term because you're still in school. That's the first thing you should have mentioned. You spoke like you're an adult, seeing as you're 18, looking for a job for financial reasons. I get that you may have financial reasons now. You may have reasons now, but still. Not all jobs are long term, but if you're looking for something short term, how short term is it? What exactly are you looking for? You want something part time? You want something for 6 months? You want but I don't talk to you. This is what I'm gonna talk to not very about anything. I love waste people time. Don't know the fuck yeah. More work just for you to be honest. That makes sense? You're 18 years old, you are a child. So kindly just back up and all the kindness. Secondly, it is very amateur of you seniors and 18-year-olds. You come here wasting a grown woman time about a work like you need it, when you only need it 50. Boy, bye. Fucking immature. Don't worry about how old, maybe worry about how mature you are. Because, like, you're so fucking immature. You come over here and ask for one job, but knowing damn well they don't want it. They think, man, like, I'm like, chat to people and even like you. Some man I just don't have nothing to do on the yard, that's no problem. I ain't even at work. What the fuck me I do with you? Me like look at me. Back up. Me treat my soul. Let me see. I'm interested in the job and you. And I say work over here, so you know, you're lucky. Good morning, princess. Morning. Yeah, I'm supposed to be packing up. I left my mom to pack my duffel at home. I'll be collecting it and trotting up to the North Pole later this evening. So earlier up, I'm at work. Somebody can run the little boy days. I'm gonna come in because what the fuck is a pokey? Like, swear to God, I'm gonna go pray for the generation here. May I go pray for the generation here. Because I don't know what the fuck is a pokey. What the fuck is a pokey? Young people irritate.